Henry Has the Hiccups, Book 1 in the Henry with Family and Friends series, read by the author Karen Cogan. Copyright 2016. All rights reserved. Henry is a little bear who can't get rid of the hiccups. His family tells him to try many ways to cure them, yet nothing works. Grandma and Grandpa come over, and Grandpa tells him a scary story to frighten the hiccups out of him. Even this doesn't work. What will Henry do? Will he ever get rid of these hiccups? Henry Has the Hiccups. Henry Bear hid behind leaves in the forest at the bottom of an old oak tree. He was playing hide-and-seek with a green toad that didn't want to play. He took one look at Henry and hopped away.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?